Got a here custom knife by JHO Knives. This is from Singapore, I'm pretty sure. So let's see what it's all about. I really like his logo. Looks like a little keychain art. That's kind of nice. I like to put it on random keys that I have so that way I don't lose it. That's a really nice design. I gotta say, the packaging is amazing. I got quite a few of them, as you can see. So first of all, there's another little fly over here, or bee. I bought it from his website. Also, he has some really cool bandanas. A lot of custom knives do that. Check this out. I think this is free. I didn't order this. This little bottle opener, a pry bar. That's pretty nice. I guess because I bought a few things, it's a little gift. That's cool. Alright, let's see what else we have. I really love these pouches, holders. Very easy to take it out. Look at that little piece. So cool. And again, everything wrapped up in this little cool bandanas. I love the art. No way! I think I did buy this one. I forgot about it. But custom knives constantly make this really cool limited edition like silver rounds. And I really like his art. That's why I bought it. This is not super known knife maker by custom knives, but super high quality. So I've done one video on that and it was amazing. People really liked it. So I'm gonna do a second one. I mean, it could be really popular. I just have not seen other people do a lot of videos on that. Okay, wow, check this out. Looks like this is a blade for this knife right here. So different blades. Ooh, look at that. So a little hanger right here. I think this is a front opener. Check this out. Beautiful knife. Little dots right here. That's a good looking knife to me. Square. Okay, let's see if we can flip it forward. Ooh, it's tight. I'm not really good at opening front flippers. But check out this blade. That's so cool. I really love this thickness on the front, and it's a nice high quality knife. There's no gift to it. This is good stuff right here, quality. And obviously you can unscrew this screw and change the knife for this one, like it's supposed to be really easy. But yeah, it's not really a flipper. It looks like you gotta just open it slowly. Okay, next, let's see what we got here. Again, beautiful packaging. What's in here? Oh, nice. So this is like when it was made, and a little art and stand look like for it or something like that. This is like certificate of authenticity, some sort. Again, one of a kind packaging. I really loving that. I think this is some kind of card knife. Yep. So this is for your wallet. Wow, that's beautiful. Check this out. I've done a lot of card knives. This one is definitely pretty thick, so it's going to work just fine. Check this out. Very sharp, obviously. Yeah, very nice. I wish it would tell me what steel it was made. I think it says on the website, or maybe it says on the certificate of authenticity. VG10 steel. Yeah, it does say on the card what kind of steel it's made from, for those people who care. Cool. Let's keep on going. Another looks like certificate of authenticity with a little sticker. It has a little clip as well. This is a VG10 steel as well. Let's look at the knife. For sure, one of a kind knife right here. Ooh, check this out. It's like 2-finger gripper right here. That's kind of nice because it's a little bulgy in the back, so it's kind of easy to hold, break up boxes, whatnot. This is pretty unique. What do you guys think? Again, really thick blade. I really like that one a lot. I can I have a couple more. It's probably all made from VG10 steel, but we'll look at them. Ooh, check this out. A little, this is not sharp, so it's a little tool, pry bar, whatever. What do you guys think? Quite unique. Like keychain holder over here of some sort. There's a certificate of authenticity with the signature. A grade 5 titanium. So yeah, it's kind of important. Look to all of this different stuff. Was made in 2021. And the last one right here. My dogs are going crazy. So there's a knife. There's a certificate of authenticity. Let's see what it's made of. M390 steel. So you see, high quality stuff for sure. All the high-end steel, from what I understand, if I remember correctly. There's a whole list of different type of steels, and they do different things. Ooh, this one is nice. Another phone flipper. The other one more of a square design. This one is like roundish, like gentleman style. Ooh, yeah, that one is definitely made to be a flipper. Wow. Definitely have to practice, but it's designed to hold it, looks like this. Break up some boxes, open up the tape, whatnot. Beautiful. It actually makes it a tiny knife. Look at that. It's a really tiny, couple inches blade. That's it. Maybe 2.5, maybe 2 inches. Or you can hold it like that. But honestly, this is a very comfortable hold. Like this. Wow, what a nice knife. That's a beautiful knife. What do you guys think? So yeah, I really like that phone flipper right here. And let's see how easy it is to close. So nice. Check this out one more time. Look. Ooh, that's satisfying. I love knives like that. So yeah, this one is less of a flipper. Kind of. You have to kind of pull it all the way. I guess you could if you practice, but not as flipper as the other one. But yeah, I really like that one a lot too. So yeah, let me know in the comments below, what do you think about these knives? Obviously this one is my favorite. It's flawless, it's so good. I really love the design of that one, the style of it too. And this one is quite cute as well. So yeah, pretty awesome knives. Check them out. Really cool artist right here. Each knife is, and the tool is a piece of art. I really like it a lot. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think about this artist? By the way, don't forget about silver bar or round. Pretty awesome for sure. By the way, forgot to tell you guys, sometimes these beads buy custom knives around $50 something, $50 to $100, because it's a little piece of art that they make, and it goes on the end of the rope, and you can tighten it up, loosen it up. It's a little bead. That's pretty cool.